Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix battery drain on your Honor 600 Lite 5G. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go over into the settings. Now in the settings, we're going to scroll down to battery. So we got the battery right here. And now what are we going to do is we're going to go and detect the apps with the highest usage. So let's scroll down to battery use. What are we going to do next is here we got every single app, and as you guys can see, some of these apps cannot be changed. This is normal, and we need to find the app that can actually be changed. So for example, not even the Google Play Store, but let's say the screen dimmer. We need to go to launch settings, and here we want to disable manage automatically. And here we disable everything. So now it is disabled and the app won't run in the background. It won't destroy our battery and anything else. Now, what are we going to do next is after we did that for every single app that we have the most usage on, what are we going to do next is we're going to go over so we can uninstall the bloatware. So the bloatware is basically every single app that you really do not use. So if you do not use email made by Honor, you can click uninstall. And of course, you cannot do that to every single app. As you guys can see, you can delete, let's say, Honor Health. You can not delete the files, but you can uninstall the notes. Of course, the themes are not deletable, so now we got rid of almost every single app that we can. Of course, the AI space, Facebook that we did not install, and we can find apps like this. So this is pretty normal. Now we got rid of any bloatware from our device, and what are we going to do next is we're going to go to Play Store. We're going to go to search and search for AccuBattery. So we're going to look for any errors in a battery with this app right here made by Digibytes. We're going to click install and tap here. Now it is installing. It went pretty quick. We're going to click open, and here we need to go over and we got the battery design capacity right here. So we want to make sure that it says 6520. Of course, the rated value is 6320, but the phone battery design is 6500, so we want to keep it like this. Now we're going to click finish, and as you guys can see, the only error we are getting that the AccuBattery may be killed in the background because the battery optimization, so it's normal. And as you guys can see, we got everything right here. There's no errors with our battery. But if you do have something else on red, then I would simply recommend you bringing the phone into the service center. And of course, as a last resort, what are we going to do is we're going to restart the phone. So press the power button, the volume up button, and tap restart. Tap again to restart the phone, and now it's restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now, after the restart, if your battery is still draining, what you guys want to do is go over and bring the phone to the authorized service because there may be an error that user just cannot simply find. So, that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.